Okay, for this video, I want to go over a few things dealing with metric drawings in particular. So if we go to New and choose the metric templates there, I would prefer you to use the ANSI millimeter IDW file right here. That has all of the settings for metric well, as it would apply to an American type drawing. Okay, for some reason, this current release, everything's popping up with the D size drawing as the default. So to change that, we go to the sheet, right click, and go edit sheet, and change down to whatever size drawing we're going to need. Most of the time a C will work. Sometimes in the assignments I tell you an A size or a B size, so you just have to make that change. All right, so I'm going to put a base view in here. Yeah, I'm just going to deal with the front view for right now. Now, when we dimension in metric, so one of the rules with metric dimensioning is we do not put decimals unless we actually have a decimal. So for your purposes, what we'll need to do is place a dimension, or you can deal with it up here through the, I thought it was a Manage tab. Here we go. Document settings, you can go in there and do it. Quickest way, just right click a dimension and go Edit Dimension Style. And right here, change the precision to 0. Okay. Or you could leave it at 2 decimal places and then turn off trailing zeros right here so that it doesn't show. Okay, same way here on the angle, if we're leaving our precision there, we won't turn that off. Okay, now the display text tab, if you notice right here, well, let me just show you one. Save edits, yes. Okay, so we changed that. All right, so this is a normal orientation for a metric drawing, okay, is vertical dimensions display the text vertically. That's fine, I will accept that as that is, but you may see that if you go to work somewhere, they don't like it that way. They want to keep everything horizontal. So in the Edit Dimension Style, on the Text tab, you make that change right here. So you would change it back to horizontal there. And same way you want to change there also. Some of the other things, diameters for circles, these can kind of control some of those. So usually the defaults work out fine for us, but here you can change the linear orientation for that. Save edits. And see, that puts all text horizontally. Now, one thing you do need to do on a metric drawing is put a metric box. And the way we'll do this, we'll go text, and we want to change it to the 6 millimeter, 6.10 millimeter is fine. All capital letters. We want to say metric. Okay. And then we want to draw a box. So we'll go sketch, start a sketch. And it's not tied to any view, so we just click anywhere in the drawing and go rectangle. And I want to make that, let go of my mouse for a minute. I want to make that rectangle 40 millimeters long and 12 millimeters tall. I can finish the sketch, and I don't want to rotate it. I want to move that down in there and kind of center it inside that box. Okay. It just needs to be somewhere in a lower corner, lower right corner, or upper right corner. It could be lower left corner. It just needs to be somewhere off to the side so it's not in the way. It can be near where you're going to do your regular general notes and those kinds of things. So going forward on metric drawings, you need to change the precision of the dimension style to 0 decimal places or turn off trailing zeros. and you need to add a metric box and the metric text on all of those.